Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's see. I was explaining that.
Periodic, amoeboid stage.
Yeah. So just after signet ring stage means when the ring structure will be formed. Just after that, this is going to become like a amoeba structure. So I just explain you how the amoeba is look like. Yeah. So they will be look like this. Then we can see is what else is happening. Vacuoles are released, right, and develops as a pseudopodia. So vacuoles will be released, and the pseudopodia, which is a poda related to the legs, okay, it will be formed. But here it is most important to helping to this amoeboid stage of trophozoites, okay, for the nourishment. So it will be this pseudopodia is going to help this amoeboid stage trophozoite for
Sir,
nourishment.
pseudopodia is also known as a lupopodia.
Pardon?
Pseudopodia is also known as a lupopodia.
Exactly. So this but main thing is podia word is used for the locomotion, but here it is trying to connect the main important point. They will be using this pseudopodia for gaining nourishment, right?
Okay,
So
gaining
yes,
nourishment.
nourishment, and this that means pseudopodia is going to attach to the RBC, and from there it will absorb everything. And like this, the increase their size means amoeboid stage, the size will be increase of trophozoites. Sixth stage we can see in which what is happening now. Ultimately, RBC is going to become double size, and that stage will be called as hypertrophy means ज़्यादा ही खा लिया, ठीक है, ज़्यादा ही nourishment कर लिया. 7 point.
Hypertrophy.
Yes, hypertrophy. 7 point. We can see the hemoglobin part पर क्या हो रहा है. Hemoglobin is made up of globin protein. Yes or not? So जो
Yes, sir.
ये hemoglobin protein is going to be ingested by malaria parasite. मतलब obviously ये जो plasmodium है, इसके ये सारे stages हैं which we are calling them trophozoites और sporozoite. इससे पहले वाला stage एरिथ्रोसाइटिक साइकिल से पहले वाला स्टेज का नाम क्या था? That was hepatic schizogony, right, in which the
Yes.
liver cells is going to be affected. So ultimately they are the parasite, but just the stages has been changed. Now they are converting hemoglobin, that globin protein, into heme. Okay, heme is a red substance which is soluble to a insoluble crystalline hemozoin. Okay, so sorry, tell me.
This point on the 7th point, hemoglobin part.
Yeah, you want to understand? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, please focus it. I am just trying to say here what is trying to say. Parasite is going to ingest the globin protein, which is the hemoglobin is made up of globin protein and red substance.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so globin is digested by the malarial parasite, that is a trophozoite, which is one of the stage of parasite, and this is going to convert the heme. Okay, so what it is going to do? Heme. Heme, that is the red substance. So that the heme has become because of the globin is infected by malarial parasite, and globin is a part of hemoglobin. Globin is a protein of hemoglobin. Okay, you know that hemoglobin is playing role important for the gases exchange. Now it is saying that this heme is soluble to an insoluble crystalline hemozoin. Okay, so there is a hemozoin is also present which is in the mosquito, and where this heme is going to be soluble.
Your voice is breaking.
Are you getting my voice right now? Can you able to listen? Yeah.
Now it's
Yeah, I am saying hemozoin is present in the mosquito. Okay, so which is a crystalline hemozoin in which the heme which has been already came out because the malarial parasite has infected to the globin. So heme has came out, and this heme is going to be soluble into crystalline hemozoin which is present in the mosquito itself. Okay,
insoluble.
yeah, got it.
Yes.
Yeah, now we can see his further information given here. See, hemozoin is consist of disposal product called as a malarial pigment. Okay,
Sir, disposal.
डिस्पोजल मीन्स किसी चीज को बाहर मतलब बाहर फेंक देने का जो काम होता है, वेस्ट को बाहर फेंक देते हैं ना, दैट इज अ वर्ड यूज फॉर डिस्पोजल. तो इस तरीके से वो मलेरिया पिगमेंट बन जाता है, राइट. नेक्स्ट, आप समझ में आ गया 8 पॉइंट आपको?
Yes, yes.
Okay, 9 point. RBC in cytoplasm found with small red colored dots called as Schiffner dots. Okay, this Schiffner dots is what actually the condition in which what happening.
Yes.
excuse me, yeah, in which what happening, RBC in cytoplasm, okay, found with small red colored dots, मतलब dots जैसे हैं, we can understand. Yes, so excuse me, something like that.
Again, your voice is breaking.
Can you get my voice right now? Yes, can you able to listen? Can you able to listen, Sabine?
Sir, I can't hear.
Okay, just wait, just wait, just wait. Now can you able to listen? Can you able to listen? Okay, I will explain again. Can okay, can you get my voice clearly now? Yes? Can you able to get my voice?